All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we got a case study on a Jeep 4x4 lights on. All right, this is going to be a quick Keith DeFazio style video, so don't give me too much hell for it. Let's verify the complaint. All right. We got a 4x4 light on. We got a traction control light on. Now I could scan the system and show you the codes, yada, yada, yada. But if you're familiar with Jeep, look at the waves in the dash. That should tell you something. And the sunroof. So you guys might remember a few years ago, Chrysler got bought out by Mercedes-Benz. And unfortunately, they're still dealing with Mercedes-Benz technology, or stupid. So where do we go from here? Well, I could pull you out the scan tool and, show you the codes and all that. But let's move the seat. So what do we have here? This is called the module well. No, I'm sorry. It's called a module tank. And you see that line of water right there? Yeah, this is the suspension module. It was underwater. In fact, there's still water in there. This is the 4x4 module. It also, you can see, has a nice little water line mark on it. It's trash. So we got new modules coming for it. We've already had our water intrusion guy come out and fix the water leak. When it initially came in, I drained 5 gallons from this well and the floorboard. Sucking it out with a vacuum sucker, I've literally sucked out 5 gallons of water. So, Chrysler's taking lessons from those Europeans. Yeehaw. A rather expensive problem for this customer to have. And just goes to show I hate sunroofs. They're just a bad idea. And I don't even like them that much when they work. Like I said, I could show you the scan tool, just communication faults with those two modules, taking down the network. Those two modules are toast, so gonna need those. Just a little FYI, Jeep's going the way of Europeans. So money, money, money in the bank. Oh. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.